welcome to Yusuf Beg's talk show. And today we have Shobhamam. Okay, so welcome now, the one and only one,
Hello, good
Shobhamam.
evening.
How are you?
Yusuf. Fine, fine. How are you?
Good, good, good. I'm so glad to see you, ma'am. It's like a long time. I think I saw you when I was
Yeah, even I'm happy to see you after so many years.
so sweet of you, ma'am. So sweet of you. By the way, ma'am, I mean, you're still in Chembur or you have shifted
No,
somewhere?
no, 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 no. I was till 81, I was in Chembur.
Yeah.
Then I shifted to Vikhroli in 81,
Okay.
1981, after
Oh
my marriage.
my God. Okay.
Then in 2002, I've come to New Panvel.
All right. New Panvel. So you are in Panvel
Yeah,
right now?
yeah, yeah.
Oh, wow. I mean, what a shift. What a shift. So, I mean, still, ma'am, you were there in SNGHS, okay, Srinaran Guru High School, but you kept
Yeah.
moving your location. I'm so, so glad, first of all, to see you. So, ma'am, as we have a lot of viewers and your fans, okay, they were just looking and waiting that, one day. I even got a lot of messages from my friends and, my school friends, especially, that when exactly will you speak to Shubha, ma'am? I said yes.
Okay.
Wait for the right time. So, ma'am,
Okay.
starting with the first question, ma'am, for you, Shobha. Will you please tell me the meaning of your first name and your last name?
The word Shobha, it means beauty, brilliance,
Hmm.
like you say, the beauty of mountains. She grew up as a beauty.
Okay.
Without, in Marathi we say, Shobha, without, means ह्याच्याशिवाय शोभा नाही. Suppose if you are painting a picture and you don't give it green and red light, red color,
Okay.
then you say याला शोभा नाही है. There is no beauty without these colors.
I'm
So
getting it.
in my, it means like that,
All
and
right.
it is the nature, the person's character, nature, attitude, means
Hmm.
gentleness, kindness. These are all. It comes in that.
Wow. I
And
mean,
the word lavand, it means spontaneous, happy-go-lucky.
wow. So it's like, uh, happy-go-lucky, spontaneous
Yeah,
kindness.
I am a person like that, happy-go-lucky. Enjoy life as it comes.
I am so happy to hear that. Okay. So, ma'am, you are from Mumbai itself, or were you somewhere else?
Actually, I born at Sholapur in
Okay.
Shobhanagar.
Okay.
But after that, my parents, my father, he did his engineering from VJTI Matunga.
Hmm.
So he got a job in Tata Electrics Trombay.
Okay.
So we got the quarters and we came to from my childhood. Then here my childhood was in Chembur only.
Wow.
At
That's
Aziz Bagh, no, Chembur Electric, Tata
Aziz.
Electric Company in
Oh,
those quarters there.
oh my goodness, what a link. I mean, where exactly? It's so close.
So 25 years I lived in Chembur.
Fantastic, ma'am. I am seeing as if, okay, most of the teachers I have interviewed right now, okay, all the ones who came to my talk show, half of them are from Chembur, and you, wow. Wow. I think it's a coincidence. But ma'am, one thing. So schooling and everything is from Mumbai itself or from Sholapur?
In Chembur only, I did my play school near Chembur station only, in a private bungalow there near the main road. Because from there we were getting admissions to St. Anthony's. So
Oh,
I did from KG to my 11th standard. I got my education in St. Anthony's High School, Chembur. It is a convent educated where our nuns, and opposite our school was the boys' school, OLPS.
I know. OLPS is, I mean, especially the voice of OLPS. I know, my God.
Yeah.
Okay, so ma'am, you are from St. Anthony too. By the way, I mean, last time when I was speaking to Lindsay, ma'am, I came to know even she was from St. Anthony. So
Yeah,
have
Lindsay,
you
Geeta.
met in school? I mean, you both.
No, no, because I passed in 73
Okay.
and they are still younger than me, no.
Okay, okay, okay.
They
Obviously.
found out later.
Okay. So, ma'am, your college, I mean, after school, after
Then
St.
after
Anthony.
my 11th standard, because I got my self, I got in SIS Matunga.
Oh, yes, South Indian Education
Yeah,
Society.
because I like that college, and when I went there, the professor they said half of Saint Anthony's comes to our college only. So it's literally like giving preference to Saint Anthony's students in SIS. It
Oh,
was
okay.
very nice studying in Saint Anthony.
My
I did my graduation in BA politics, specialized in politics. Then after that, after my graduation, I was free. So my sister, she was going on maternity leave. So she was working at King George High School, Dadar,
okay.
Raja Shivaji Vidyalaya now. So she
Mhm.
told me, now you are finished, you're sitting at home. I'm going on leave. You work in my place, you will get experience as a teacher.
Initially, you
So
were a
I worked,
substitute.
I yeah, I worked in her place as a
Okay.
substitute teacher
Yeah.
for 7 months and got experience of teaching.
Wow,
So
that's great. And after that, I think okay, you
then
after.
after that,
Mhm.
I just finished my 7 months of teaching there.
Mhm.
Then in April, there was an ad of Sri Narayan Guru High School.
Okay.
So I just applied. I was not trained or anything, but I said, let me apply and see because it was an upcoming school.
Okay.
First standard had come and second standard was coming up, so they wanted a teacher. So
Okay.
I applied. I was not sure because I was not trained teacher. But
Okay.
since I was from a convent, I said, let me try and see. So I
Mhm.
tried, and when I went for the interview, there were about 15 teachers. Out of that, all of them were BA teachers,
Oh,
and I was the only one who was not trained. So I thought, why should I waste my time here? No, let me go home. But then I said, what is the harm in giving an interview? It's up to if it's in my luck, I'll get it. If no, let me
mhm.
try. I gave my best in the interview. Of course, the managing committee was there, about 12, 13 people.
Mhm.
And since the children coming in the school were from the slum area in Shivaji Nagar and around,
I
it was
agree.
just an upcoming school. When
Mhm.
they started, Dr. K. Damodaran had gone to these houses,
Okay.
all their houses, to get the children to the school. So, and it was a challenge to work in a school to bring up these children.
My God, I never
And
knew
they
marketing
said, we'll let you.
was this big. I mean, it was such a big issue that Dr. Damodaran had to actually go to the slums to.
Yeah, he had literally gone and got the children from there. And
Okay.
then they wanted, since it's an English medium school,
Hmm.
then I just asked, when will I come to know? Because the interview was on 28th April or something. They said by 1st or 2nd May you'll get. And I was
Okay.
surprised to get a letter on 2nd of May saying that I've been selected
Wow.
as a teacher. And that time they wanted one headmistress and one teacher.
Okay.
When I went to school, I asked the secretary, how come you selected me? I'm not trained. He says, no, since I was English convent educated, and
Mhm.
since it was an upcoming school, they
Mhm.
wanted somebody with a good command and all.
Okay.
So you can do your training later.
Mhm.
So this is how I was selected. And it was a challenge really to work for such children to bring them up.
I
Oh,
agree.
in the initial stages, we had a little difficulty because
Hmm.
children couldn't understand. We had to make them understand in Hindi
Okay.
and bring them. But gradually, as years passed by, our children started picking
True.
up slowly, slowly, and they
But
gradually.
ma'am,
But
I came to know. I mean, I actually happened to go through your profile. Okay, and I came to know that
yeah,
you happen to take one project, Marathi project. You happen to drive
yeah,
that
that was
project.
late. That
It was
was
really
later.
really fine.
Later on.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Mhm.
So this then as the years, then I thought that we had inter-school competitions of
Mhm.
30 schools coming together. We
Okay.
had a committee of 10, 15 HMs
Okay, ma'am.
committee. And when I attended as a committee member, when I was attending those programs, they had competitions and all. So I also felt, why should our children not be a part of that competition? Let them see the different schools, because the competitions were held in different schools.
Okay.
And of course, we could get the view of different schools and knew how the other schools are. So I started taking my children there to those schools to see that how they are there. And even I wanted my school to come up along with those, how to interact with each other.
Mm-hmm. That's really awesome. But ma'am, I because the reason I'm telling is because I happened to see after, I don't know, when I was there, I definitely saw you in nursery. But later on, I came to know that you actually took one section of the school, and you happened to drive it so well that
I was
you still have it.
I was the head. See, I joined in 77 as a teacher.
Mm-hmm.
4 years I worked as a teacher. Then the secondary section came. The teachers who Shantalata Madam, Anand Sharma, and Paramjit Kaur, they went to the fifth standard.
Okay.
So I was the senior most over here, and the fourth standard came, and the education department they said, we will give you recognition only when you appoint the head teacher, the
Okay.
headmistress as of the primary section. So
Mm-hmm.
being a senior most teacher, I was appointed as a head head teacher of the primary school, and
Okay.
from 81 to 2012 till my retirement, I was looking after the primary section.
Wow, wow, wow.
That is
That's
31 years.
ma'am, are you
And 4 years
retired
as a,
now? Are you
in
still working?
2012. No,
2012.
2012 I retired. Yeah.
Okay. So the last
So
project
from
I think
70,
you had, the last project which you had, okay, was that handled over to somebody else? As in,
yeah, the next teacher, because the senior teachers were getting the post.
okay,
So the next senior teacher, Teresa Thomas, she was the next
Lisa
teacher.
Thomas. Okay,
She
okay,
came up then as a head teacher.
okay. That looks very different, definitely from your side, because I think when I my memory for you, ma'am, is definitely okay. You were the principal according to us. Okay, so we never approached you. We never happened to
Yeah,
reach you and speak to you. So there was a big huge gap, but somewhere in our
because we
hearts,
were we
Mhm.
we
It-
were in the afternoon section, and the secondary section was in the morning.
okay.
So by the time I came, you people were leaving the school in the afternoon and going back home.
True, true, true. So, ma'am, tell me one of the incidents which you remember of Sri Naran Guru High School. Anything which which is like engraved in your head. You feel you will never be able to forget it.
No, it's the children only, the small children I used to fear, because parents were not educated,
Oh, I
and
see. Mhm.
it was, they were coming from a background where there was no, parents would be happy to see their children in school.
Okay.
They used to say, madam, जितना time बच्चा school में रहेगा हम लोग को अच्छा है. So I used to say, आपको एक बच्चा नहीं संभालने को होता है, हम लोग तो इधर 1000 बच्चा संभालते हैं. So, but it was very nice. People coming from different families, different places. Uh, some were good, were able to pick up fast. Some were very slow. So it
Okay.
was very nice to mix up with the different type of students and teach them, motivate them,
Getting you.
and bring in par with the other students.
Getting you. Ma'am, I remember a couple of things, okay, about you. First thing, you went to one of the Marathi dance show a long time back, and probably this was told to us in school that one thing on TV, show will be coming on TV, and
No, 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 that I don't. We are
I don't know
the
you remember
school
this or
only.
not, but this is my remembering, okay, because somebody told me, okay, Shiva ma'am is coming on the TV. I said, wow, is it? And I
No,
happened to
no,
see it
that
on
time.
newspaper too. Yeah, sorry.
No, no, that was not on TV. It was in the Mumbai Mirror. This thing was there. Then Bombay Times. There was a Chembur one
Yes,
newspaper was there.
yes.
My article had come in that paper.
Hmm.
So I was in the in news, only in the newspaper, not in
Okay,
on TV or anything as such. And we had
okay,
attended. There was a Marathi what to say, Antakshari type of program on DD Marathi channel. Now the
mhm,
Adesh Bandekar, he was Home Minister. He
okay.
used to have that program.
Oh
So I had
wow.
attended that program just
Hmm.
to see the program.
Oh
That was
wow.
the only TV show I had attended.
Okay, but ma'am, definitely with the achievements you have, I think you would be having more awards than utensils at home. So what kind of awards? So what kind of
Yeah,
awards
correct.
and achievements you have got, by the way?
I'm happy to say that when I joined in 77,
Hmm.
I was very happy to get the Lions Club of Ghatkopar award as the best teacher
Wow.
in 78.
Hmm.
With one of our members from committee members. He happened to be the member, and he was very much impressed by my uh, talk. I mean, being coming from a convent school. So he gave my name for that year when to the Lions Club of Ghatkopar. So
Hmm.
that was my first award. Then gradually I started getting Lions Club of Chembur. I got
Wow.
Dronacharya Award. This school has given. Mapur Mia's Award is the best award, which is everybody craves for it. And
Wow.
I was the one who got that award in 2003. So
Okay.
that was the best achievement of my life. And many more, nearly 13, 14 awards I've got. And
Okay.
you must have seen in my office, all that cupboard and all is full of
Yeah, I
awards.
see it.
Uh, and
So,
from different social activities, Congress party, different parties also, different NGOs also.
okay.
They used to call and honor us with the award.
Wow.
So
And
I was really proud that I am a teacher of Sri Narayana Guru High School, and
how?
I am getting awards for in the name of my school, being a head of the primary and getting awards in the name of Sri Narayana Guru High School. And I was proud to be looking at my office always when I enter, full of
I
awards. So
Wow.
that was my great achievement, and of course, not without the backing of our management, who always encouraged us.
Okay. Great.
Never.
You must be definitely, meeting your students now. They must be saying, "Hi, ma'am," and we must be hugging and saying, "Oh my God."
No, those who have come to Panvel, and I meet at them on the way or at DMart or
Mhm.
anywhere I go, they come to me and they say, "Hello, Shobha ma'am, how are you?" I am surprised to see because I have seen them as a child,
Okay.
and now but they recognize me and they come to me, and I feel very happy to see them.
I agree because I think I haven't seen you. It never happened that, I bumped into you and, you just said, "Hi, ma'am." Never happened yet.
Yeah, that
Maybe I'm not in
because
Panvel.
after 2012, after my retirement, I have not come back to Chembur.
Okay.
I have been in Panvel because I am working for an NGO here.
Okay.
I was a committee member of my society. Then I became a chairman. Now I am a secretary of my society.
My
So
God.
I'm engaged in my social work.
I
And so
understand.
that's how I am today because I'm engaged with all these activities.
Good. I mean, people should be, engaged with some or the other thing because,
And I have
saying,
not forgotten my school. Whenever we have any function in the society, I conduct drawing competitions,
"Oh, wow."
art competition, fancy dress competition. What I was doing in school, I do it here. I conduct sports over here. We have our sports here, so that also
Wow.
bring back my school days back to me.
Fantastic.
So I keep on all those things keep on moving over here also.
I got teacher forever. And ma'am, I mean, when it comes to education, ma'am, don't you think right now the education what you had and now what we have,
See,
it changed
at
a
our
lot?
times when I was a student in school, we had no backing. My mother was only seventh standard educated, though my father was an engineer. He was busy with his office. And
Hmm.
we were, at that time, there were no guides, no books, no tuitions. Whatever we had to do is learn on ourselves. And whatever we have learnt in school, that was the only thing which we had in us. And there was no backing at home or no nothing. It was our hard work we had to do.
Hmm.
It was all that. But later on, these children, they were really spoon fed with all these guides and all
Hmm.
so many things they got. It was so easy for them.
True.
And then afterwards, gradually, the technology, mobile, laptop, as
Agreed,
it
ma'am.
went on increasing. But the real education was the education at our times.
I agree, ma'am. I completely understand. Okay, the way we have modernized education and we have softened it. I should not say, okay, we have made
Because
it.
now
I don't know. I
Children
feel
are
that.
now glued to laptop, to mobile,
Yes.
so they don't get to move about around outside the world and have a coordination with the people, interact with people, know more about while being in the society. Just sitting in front of the mobile with your mobile, that's not the thing. In our times, we have moved everywhere. We have learned everything from.
Agreed.
So
And ma'am,
there is an advantage also, disadvantage
disadvantage, yes,
also.
true, 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 true. Ma'am, tell me the best place in Chembur, okay, where you probably love to go, and even now you'll be able to go if you get a chance.
I don't get to go there, but when I was in my place in Tata's, Chembur camp, you know,
Oh,
Jama.
Jama.
And Jama was a famous for gulab jams.
Oh
And next
yes.
to it, there was a small shop for paya,
Okay,
paya.
I
And
got
you
you.
have the, yeah, these film actors, Raj Kapoor, they stay there only. RK studio was nearby. So
Yup.
these people used to come in the evening for gulab jam and paya,
Oh,
ragda, samosa. So it was my favorite place. Even now, when my brother comes from Malad, he comes via Chembur and brings
Chembur.
gulab jam to all the way to Panvel. So our memories are back to Chembur.
True, ma'am. That junction has a lot of memory. I agree that Navjeevan Society, the Jama Hotel, and I think that Faluda, and a lot of things, Ranjita Dhaba, and that whole lane lights up. Okay, in the evening, you should actually go. It's really even my okay. I should say it's one of the best spots to go and relax. I agree.
Because we stay, at that time I was in Vikhroli, then in Panvel, so it was a long distance to go at evening to all the way there.
Okay.
But whenever we stayed in Chembur, we have enjoyed our best by going
Mm-hmm.
to these places. Sarojma was Grand Central, Saroj was our favorite hotels where we
Mm-hmm.
used to go for our lunch.
Okay. Saroj,
That
Sandukan.
time Saroj was famous, Grand Central was famous. So these were the,
Grand Central is still famous, man, but I somewhere feel that Grand Central is a little to the elites. So people usually I haven't seen people.
now,
I once I
now at the entrance of Station Road, there is one, no?
yes, Sadhguru you're talking about, right?
Sadhguru,
Yeah,
yeah. So
Sadhguru.
now that is near by the station. So now that has been our famous
Yes,
spot.
I agree. I agree. So, ma'am, one last message you want to give it to your fans and your students, please. One last message. One message you want to give.
Yeah, last I would just say that with uh, go for education. Education is the most important thing in your life. Without education, you cannot succeed in life.
Mm-hmm.
So, as a teacher, as a in this field, I feel that children should be educated. They should, whether it's a girl or a boy, both should be treated in par and both should be educated because education makes one's life. It gives you everything to come up in life.
Wow, wow. I
And I just want to say one more thing
yes, ma'am.
about my contribution to the Marathi medium.
Please, ma'am.
Since the
Please, I was
area
waiting
was
for it.
full, yeah, since the area was full of Maharashtrian people around Shivaji Nagar, Pneumonia Bagh and all that, people wanted us to management to start Marathi medium, and we started the Marathi medium at that time, and it was I had taken the initiative to bring up the primary. We initially started with the primary, and slowly the secondary section came. We had the 10th standard batch coming. Then luckily we got our recognition. We got the SSC code. Our first batch of children went that year.
Wow.
And I am proud to say that the first batch itself got 100% result. I'll tell you one thing, the teachers who were there in the Marathi medium of that first batch, they had never taught 10th standard students.
Okay.
Even the senior teacher who was appointed as a headmaster, he had not taught any 10th standard. But I took the initiative and I started take a meeting with those teachers and guided them. And we used to conduct classes for these children. And every 15 days, right from June onwards, we started conducting tests for the children.
Okay.
And when these marks were shown to the parents every 15 days to
Wow.
see that how where the child stands. So this was our effort right from the beginning. So this even made the parents know their child's weakness And it was
Okay.
the contribution of the parents also, the teachers also, and me also, and of course the management. Whenever we needed anything, they were always to help us. So with this, the first batch itself got 100% results, and we were so happy.
Wow.
And to get 100% in the first year itself in that area, it was really a pride for all of us. And after continuously 5 years, we got 100%
Okay.
result. So it was a good thing to see
My
that the
God. So 5
children,
years back to back, you had 100% result.
yeah, yeah. Till
My
I was,
wow. This is like, I can't even call it, just a hat trick. It's like going on and on.
yeah, it was really a good thing.
Okay. Great, 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 ma'am. I mean, I'm so proud and I'm so happy. And I'm really,
Oh,
I mean, on behalf of all your, your students and your fans, okay, big thanks to you, ma'am, because I
yeah,
think,
thanks.
ma'am, teacher and
Thanks to
principal,
you.
you know,
Thanks to you for calling and reminding us, teachers. And again, on this behalf, I would like to convey one message since 5th September, Teachers' Day is coming
woo,
very near. So I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
oh, so sweet, so sweet, so sweet. I think that's what I'm saying, ma'am. As I said, okay, on behalf of everyone, I would like to say, ma'am, that we will never forget you. We will never
Oh,
ever forget you. I mean, it's like
thanks a
you
lot.
guys are
Thanks a
there in
lot.
our system. You are there in our system. It's at the back of your mind. Okay, even if I see a little bit of you, I'll say this is Shubha, ma'am. You know
Yeah, and
that
of
much.
course, I will also remember my children till I'm there. My children will be in my heart forever
Sure,
because
ma'am.
I have grown up my all these 35 years in the school with you children,
True,
and
true.
I'm proud to see children becoming doctors, lawyers, and when I see them, I'm really proud that our children from this area has have reached up to this level,
It's a
and it's
very good
really nice to see. So
true.
thanks a lot for calling me and giving me this opportunity.
I'm honored, ma'am. I'm honored, and I would just say that make sure that you keep coming to school. You please, keep looking at us. We will look at you. I mean, this is okay. A love which we share, and that's enough. So maybe, okay, ma'am. I know. Even last time I told most of the teachers, maybe you don't remember us,
So
ma'am.
now we have
We
been
still
meeting
remember you.
because students have been arranging, batch
Okay.
wise, they have been arranging get togethers.
Okay.
And for the past 2, 3 years, we have been attending those get togethers where we
Wow.
get to meet those batches.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That
So
that's
we
awesome.
are in touch with the students.
Great, ma'am. Great. I have no words. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time. Thank you for
Oh,
giving
thanks a
your
lot.
best for us. Thank
Always welcome. Wish you all the best in all what you do.
you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Bye.